Hello guys, welcome to another video. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody is well. Welcome to another garden video. Today we are going to start to plant our potatoes. So every year I do this. I cheat a little bit. I have my bag here and I'm gonna plant some potatoes early because I like to have an early harvest. So that's what I do. Any potato that looks like this, I plant them early because they're ready to go into the ground. But what I usually do every year is I just stop buying the seed potatoes because I just, number one, I find they're too expensive. In Canada here, the seed potatoes are just too expensive. So what I do is I just wait until like the season when the potatoes go on sale. So usually like January, February, like that, we have organic Canadian potatoes and they just go on sale. Like $1.89, $1.99, $2.49, it goes on sale. So what we do, we just buy a whole bunch and then we put them to chickle, okay? So let me show you what I got. So this is my potatoes. You see them? They're looking so good, look. See that? Look at this one. It's ready to be planted. And these ones, they're ready to go. Let me put that aside because I'm also gonna be planting my sweet potato in a minute. Let me put it aside. And this bag is for these potatoes. Put it here. But I'm just gonna show you this one. So these potatoes are white potatoes. I have two different variety of white potatoes here. Not white potatoes. I have one variety of white potato and one variety of yellow potatoes. I just like the yellow one because it's so buttery. So I like to plant these ones. And then these ones here, these are like baking potatoes. So they're small potatoes. And you can just wash them really well and just put them to bake and eat them like that. But I have 5 different variety here. So I have a deep purple. See these ones? And they're ready to be planted. Then I have one that's, it looks, I don't know what to call it. It's a kind of burgundy one. It looks like a sweet potato color. So I have this one. Then I have this one, which is a cream one. Then I have another one, this one color here. I don't even know how to describe this color. It looks between a burgundy and a red, this one. Then I have this one, which is a white potato. And then I have this one also, which is like a kind of burgundy one, but like a lighter burgundy one. So yeah, I have quite a variety of the small potatoes here. And I like them because they give a lot of potatoes. And you can just bake them, you know, like if you want to make breakfast, whatever. These potatoes are really good. So I'm gonna plant some of these. But let's start with my soil here. So I'm using these grow bags, and I already show you guys these grow bags in a video that I made. So I show you I got on Amazon. So we're gonna use these grow bags, and we're gonna put these set of potatoes inside. Now I don't cut my potatoes. I don't cut them because I find when I cut them, I don't get as much yield as when I don't cut them. So no more cutting potatoes for me. Last year I did the same thing and I had a bumper harvest. So let's plant them. I love when they're like this because they come up really fast and they just do so well. Let's plant potatoes. So first, this is my soil here. I usually just I put in this one. This is a big bag. So I will put like all of them in there. So I'll put like, let me see, I think 5 of them in there. And you see how big the potato is? And I just push it down. Let me put my gloves on, guys. Because I have to go out tomorrow early in the morning. And I don't want my nails to have dirt underneath it because I have to do a course. And the course entails me to be working with people. So anyways. I need my nails to be very clean looking tomorrow. So yeah, so I just basically push them down in the dirt like this. And these ones, I just put them like that. And I lay these ones down like that. Then I'm gonna cover them with dirt like this. Okay, so I just cover them with dirt like this and I leave them. Now this bag of potato, so now this all planted, I have 5 potatoes in there. So these are planted now, and I just barely cover them. Tomorrow I'm gonna add some more dirt because right now it's just freezing outside and I don't want to go out in this freezing. I'm gonna add some more dirt over them tomorrow, and I'm gonna leave them in like right in front of my door there where it's light, by the window there. I get a lot of light, so I'm gonna put them there, and they're gonna sprout. And as soon as they come up, I'm gonna keep adding more until the bag gets way to the top, and that's how I'm gonna do it. For the little ones, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get another bag and put the small potatoes inside the bag and do the very same thing with the bag, but it's freezing out there, guys. So I think I am going to maybe do the small ones tomorrow because I just don't feel like going outside right now. It's so cold. Anyways, maybe I will, maybe I'll not. But anyways, you get the gist of what I'm saying. The next thing I want to plant is my potato. My sweet potato. I know many of you put sweet potato in like put the toothpick and stuff like that and do it like that. Now I do the same thing. So this year I'm trying a different method. I'm trying it in soil because I see some of you try it in soil and it does well. But when I pick in a potato, I pick a potato that has little roots sticking out on it. I don't know. If I want to pick potato that has little roots sticking out of it, like you see this one, you have the roots sticking out of it already when I bought it. And you have some right here. I find these potatoes, they do really well. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my soil and put my potato in the soil directly, the part where the root is, like this. I'm gonna put it like that, then I'm just gonna cover it. So let's do that. So I'm just using this strawberry containers. I have my soil in here and my soil is really, really soft. And all I'm gonna do is put my potato like this in there. Press it down like that in there, and then I'm gonna do this, cover it a little bit. I'm just gonna put this over, and I'm gonna get an elastic and put on top of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna get an elastic and put around the container like this. Okay, yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put I put elastic over it and put the container like this. The soil is already moist, so I'm not gonna moisten it today because I think it's fine like that. And I'm gonna keep it like that. And as soon as it starts to sprout, I'll just open it and let the shoots come out. But every couple of days, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of water and keep the soil really, really moist. Now, this is the first time I do it like this. Usually I just put it in the water with the, the bottom sticking up in the water. So let's see how this is going to do, okay? Wish me luck. So guys, that is it. I planted this set of potatoes, and now, you know what? I am going to plant the next set of potato.
Nope, 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 nope.
So I am going to plant this next set of potato here. I have too much soil in this, so I'm just gonna pour it over there. And then I'm gonna plant some of my small potato inside this pot here. I get lots of potatoes in pots, so I don't really worry about it. But I'm gonna plant like 3 small potatoes. I'm gonna plant the same variety actually. I'm gonna plant the same variety of them inside this pot. And I'm just gonna cover it. Simple as that. Okay. So in this pot I have 3, and this one I have 5. And these ones, once they sprout out and they come out, I am going to take 2 out and put them in another pot. I'm just gonna let them sprout and come all the way up. And I'm gonna take it up, because this pot may be a little bit too small. But like I said, I do this every year. I'm cheating because I want some early potatoes, and it works like a charm. And I have my cloth down, so my counter is not gonna get dirty. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this by the door. Oops. But anyways, guys, let me show you the rest of my potatoes that I have, that I bought, my organic potatoes that I got. And this is what they look like. See? They're starting to come out. See, amazing. I have a whole bunch of them. I have another bag. And these ones, I am going to put them in a big, wide dollar store raised bed that I bought. So I'm gonna buy 2 of these, and I want to plant the rest of the potatoes in that. But these ones, they are chittling really nicely. Some of them, they're just starting to push their head out. So they can stay a little bit longer, in a month, I think. These ones are ready to go, I think. A couple of them are ready to be planted. So maybe in a couple of weeks, I'll plant another 2 bags of them. But for now, I'll keep them in here, and I have another bag that is the same like this, and they're just starting to poke their little eyes out. So I'll leave them inside my cupboard, put them away, leave them inside the paper bag, and they should be good. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what variety of potatoes you like to plant, or if you ever plant potatoes before, let me know like what did good for you. And if it's your first time planting potatoes, let me know what you are going to be planting. So thanks for watching. Stay beautiful and positive. Ciao, ciao, my loves. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.